That was a great day of dumpster diving. I better go around and search for other stuff to do. I'm sure there's something somewhere. Aha! This is the bit that I like. Seeing what random creatures and stuff there are. Oh, that's bendy. Ooh, loads of twigs. Ooh, a spider. Ooh, hello, Mr. Spider. Ooh, it's tickling me. Oh, come back, come back. Oh. Better escape the web and fast. Oh. There you go. Ooh, look, it's a giant bee. I don't know what it is, but I'm having a look. Ooh. Ooh. He's cool. Bees are friendly creatures, but I'm worried that they might attack me because I'm near them. It's gone. Phew. It's nice to see what the outside world contains as I watch the clouds. There's nothing really yet to Ugh. That is awful. I am filthy. I need a wash. I can't stand looking like this. At least I got this area. Uh-oh, it's the bee again. Why was today so awful? I'm all covered in mud again. I definitely need a wash now. I'm covered in mud. Alright, I'm going into the bath. Ha 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 ha. You look like a pudding. I am going in there. I don't look good at all. I'm all dry now, but seriously, I need to get all this mud off of me still. I'm going to have another wash. And I'll be leaving you for a little while until I get all clean again. And that's fine by us. We'll enjoy ourselves without you for a while. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hope you do well, Snuggle Bear. We'll miss you.